Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. Friends, if you want to check WhatsApp backup on your Google Drive account, then you simply need to open Google Drive app. Now here in your Google Drive app, you need to select the account. Now after selecting account, you need to press on these three lines. Now here press on backups. Now here you can find your WhatsApp backup. Here you can also see your last backup time. Like my WhatsApp was last backup today 4 am. You can find other options by pressing on the three dots. From here you can turn off backup. Also, if required, you can delete backup. So friends, like this you can very easily check WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.